Hi friends and welcome back to another episode of BZU Science YouTube channel. Dear friends, lightning is fascinating to watch, but it is also extremely dangerous. You may be amazed to know that there are about 25 million lightning flashes every year in the United States only. These lightning flashes are potential killers. Anyhow, lightning fatalities have decreased over the past 30 years. Along with deaths, they can also become the cause of some lifelong health problems. Before understanding how lightning forms, we must understand how thunderstorms develop. All thunderstorms go through stages of growth, development, electrification, and dissipation. Thunderstorms often begin to develop early in the day when the sun heats the air near the ground and pockets of warmer air start to rise in the atmosphere. When these pockets of air reach a certain level in the atmosphere, cumulus clouds start to form. Continued heating causes these clouds to grow vertically into the atmosphere. These towering cumulus clouds may be one of the first signs of a developing thunderstorm. The final stage of development occurs as the top of the cloud becomes anvil-shaped. As a thunderstorm cloud grows, precipitation forms within the cloud. A well-developed thunderstorm cloud contains mostly small ice crystals in the upper levels of the cloud, a mixture of small ice crystals and small hail in the middle levels of the cloud, and a mixture of rain and melting hail in the lower levels of the cloud. Air movements and collisions between the various types of precipitation in the middle of the cloud cause the precipitation particles to become charged. The lighter ice crystals become positively charged and are carried upward into the upper part of the storm by rising air. The heavier hail becomes negatively charged and is either suspended by the rising air or falls toward the lower part of the storm. These collisions and air movements cause the top of the thunderstorm cloud to become positively charged and the middle and lower parts of the storm to become negatively charged. In addition, a small positive charge develops near the bottom of the thunderstorm cloud. The negative charge in the middle of a thunderstorm cloud causes the ground underneath to become positively charged, and the positively charged anvil causes the ground under the anvil to become negatively charged. After understanding the development of clouds, we try to know how lightning forms. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the atmosphere or between the atmosphere and the ground. In the initial stages of development, air acts as an insulator between the positive and negative charges in the cloud and between the cloud and the ground. However, when the differences in charges become too great, this insulating capacity of the air breaks down, and there is a rapid discharge of electricity that we know as lightning. Lightning can occur between opposite charges within the thunderstorm cloud. We call it intra-cloud lightning. It can also occur between opposite charges in the cloud and on the ground. We call it cloud-to-ground lightning. Cloud-to-ground lightning is divided into two different types of flashes depending on the charge in the cloud where the lightning originates. At last, we discussed thunder. Thunder is the sound made by a flash of lightning. As lightning passes through the air, it heats the air quickly. This causes the air to expand rapidly and creates the sound wave we hear as thunder. Normally, you can hear thunder about 10 miles from a lightning strike, since lightning can strike outward 10 miles from a thunderstorm. If you hear thunder, you are likely within striking distance from the storm. I hope you may have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, never forget to like and share it. You should also subscribe to our channel for more fascinating science concepts.